Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online can automatically add most of your bank and credit card accounts to your chart of accounts when you connect them to online banking. However, certain accounts, like loans and fixed assets, need to be added manually. Let's walk through how to manually add an account and explain why the opening balance is so crucial. To start, go to the Settings menu and choose Chart of Accounts. Then, click on the option to create a new account. Next, you'll need to give the account a name. After that, choose the type of account you'd like to add. Account types determine where the account will appear on your financial reports. There are two main categories: account types related to the balance sheet, which cover assets, liabilities, and equity, and account types for the profit and loss statement, which include income and expenses. For this example, let's create a business bank account. You'll then need to select a detail type, which gives more specific information about the account's function. In this case, we're setting up a checking account. If you're creating a balance sheet account, you'll also need to choose a starting date and enter that information in the As Of field. Many businesses choose to start tracking balances from the beginning of the fiscal year, which ensures that QuickBooks can match your bank records from day one. This step is necessary only for manually created accounts. If you're linking an online bank or credit card account, QuickBooks takes care of this for you. Now, enter the balance of your real-world bank account as of the chosen date. This is known as the opening balance. You can usually find this information on your bank statement. The opening balance is critical because it establishes the account's starting point in QuickBooks and ensures that your records align with your bank's records. You also have the option to add any notes about the account in the description field. When everything is ready, click Save. At this point, you're all set to begin recording transactions like payments and deposits that occur after the starting date. There's no need to enter anything that occurred before this date. Keep in mind that any transactions before this date are already reflected in the opening balance. If you add them without adjusting the opening balance, you'll end up double counting the amounts. That's all there is to it.